And this is just a short quick review of my AK-47. It is not fully done yet, but it will be soon. So this is just the simple version. Iron sight, 4 tubes wrapped around in paper, and these two are just inserted in. But yeah, so they can come out. Magazine. This I already started on. This is just like the 1 shot, 2 shot, and fully automatic. So the handle, haven't done the trigger and the stock, which is beautiful. I haven't finished it yet, as you can see. I'm just going to wrap it in paper. But yeah, you can shoot to wait, which one is it? This one. Right, could, but I got this in the way because that's just, yeah, it's very simple. I was wrong. See now with the bottom or anything on, but yeah, back those into there. You need that bit on or else it doesn't stay. Just goes up like that. Yeah. So sorry about that. Anyway, so I hope you guys get the idea. Maybe it makes my entire my video. Yeah, very nice, and I'll come back to you with the rest. Bye.